Standby Class 1 for Uganda Prison Service. The Commissioner General of Prisons has declared a standby Class 1 period for all prison officers effective from 16th December 2024 to 18th January 2025. During this period, the following guidelines, among others, must be strictly adhered to. 1. Strengthen and enhance prison safety, security, intelligence, and coordination with other security agencies, remaining vigilant and alert. 2. Hired prisoners' labor, commonly known as kibarua, is suspended. 3. Prisoners' visitations are suspended, but prisoners' items can be delivered at the prison gate. 4. Ensure adequate supplies to your units to last throughout the period. 5. Regulate admission of prisoners to outside health facilities and enhance deployment where necessary. And finally, restrict unauthorized persons from accessing the barracks. To note, any officer in charge who breaches these guidelines shall be personally held responsible.